At last, you've reached the final 2 stages of the new product development process. The structured development plan has guided you through each stage and given you the opportunity to learn and possibly go back and adapt and refine your product. Now, you're ready to take the product to market and have just one more step before you launch it. Test marketing means launching your product on a small scale and in a limited area that's representative of your market. It gives you a chance to evaluate consumer response. Do they like the product or not? And would they buy it or not? It also means you can monitor the marketing strategy and adjust it to make sure you attract the highest number of customers possible. You may choose a geographic area for your test market or possibly one that focuses on a specific demographic. Alternatively, you may look at just launching it in specific retail outlets or to a specific internet market. If your test market is successful, then you can consider launching on a larger scale and move into the commercialization phase of the process. That means going into full production and launching fully onto the market. If the product fails in test market, you need to find out the reasons why. Then use this information to make adjustments and test market it again. Test marketing is like a safety net. It reduces the marketing risk. However, it can be expensive. It also alerts your competitors to your new product. They can see it as well as your customers. This means you have to weigh up the advantages of test marketing against the potential costs of not getting it right. New product development is quite a challenge. Use the structured development plan to guide you through each of the stages. It may seem like a long process, but it's very worthwhile and can help prevent you spending time and resources unnecessarily, as well as improving your chances of success.